Hi everyone, I'm Chef D, and welcome to this Healthy Cooking with Kids for this very special series called W.O.W. Juneteenth, sponsored by T-Mobile and presented by Mind Body Social. Hi again, I'm Chef D, and we're going to spend a few moments doing a simple recipe with and for your kids. A great way to connect and share with them. But before we get started, we have one important thing to do. We need to register for a chance to win gift cards and other amazing prizes courtesy of T-Mobile. It's super easy and quick. I'm going to do it with you. Grab your phone, open your camera, and scan the QR code, or you can visit wowmbs.com/Juneteenth. It's basic info and takes 60 seconds. Pause the video if you need to. I'll be here and we'll begin together. Let's talk about our ingredients. Here we have chicken breast, shaved Parmesan, Caesar dressing, oregano, olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, lemon, some romaine lettuce, and of course, tortillas. Let's get to it. I'm going to start off by seasoning my chicken with some salt and pepper. Very simple. And I'll take it here and I'll just flip it over so I can get some other sides of it. There you are. Salt and peppers here. Oh yeah, that's how I like it. Now, once you have your chicken seasoned, we're gonna take our olive oil and we're gonna put it into a hot skillet, just a little bit to coat the pan. And then we're gonna take our chicken breast, our cutlets, and we're gonna put them inside of the hot skillet. You hear that sound? If it doesn't sizzle, you're not doing it right. Oh, yes. That's some good stuff right here. All right. Now, real guys use magenta, all right? So we're going to take our magenta tongs here, and we're going to make sure that we're looking over our chicken. And because it's so thin and they're cutlets, it's not going to take very long to cook on one side. And we're going to go ahead and flip it on to the other side. Oh, yeah. That's some good stuff right there. Once I flipped it, I'm going to go ahead and let that cook for a while. And I'm going to come over here and start working on the other parts of our recipe. Of course, we have our tortilla shells and we have our romaine. So we're going to work on that. I'm going to go ahead and get my knife. No, I think that's overkill. All right. Love having fun here in the kitchen. All right. We're going to cut some romaine. And I'm going to take it and cut it this way as well. All right. Really fun recipe with the kids. And while that chicken is going, we're going to go right now and we're going to add some fresh squeezed lemon juice, a little oregano, and some garlic. All right. Let's cut that. Oh, yeah. This is going to be so good. I can already hear it churning in my belly. Delicious. Garlic. Oregano. And a nice squeeze of that lemon. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna take my tongue one more time, and I'm gonna make sure all of those flavors get nice and spread around. Oh yeah. This is so good. Can't you taste it? Can't you? I can. All right. Now, we have our tortillas. All right. We have a few ingredients left. All right. We're going to take this. Let me grab myself a nice bowl. And we're going to put our romaine inside. It's very simple. And we're going to take our dressing. This is really fun. You can get the kids involved. You can have them help you. If you have younger children, you can have them do certain parts, like maybe pour the dressing inside. It helps them with their motor skills and things of that nature. Lots of fun. Of course, we're going to get this shredded cheese. Oh, yeah. This is one of the recipes I'm going to be doing this summer at summer camp. And the kids love it. I tested it out with some kids earlier this year. Let me tell you, they were very, very excited. All right, we have all that mixed up there. Really nice. And then I'll show you how we put this together. Now, you're not quite finished with the rest of this lemon, right? You can use this as well because you're making portions for the little ones. I'm going to show you how we're going to use that. All right. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get our chicken, which is ready to go right now. I'm going to take one piece and bring it over here. Oh my God, that is divine. That is it right there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make 1, 2, maybe I'll make 4. 4 of these bad boys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take my chicken and lay it right inside. Get some of that Caesar chicken, some of that Caesar salad. And then, I don't know any kids you know that don't want a little bit more cheese on top. All right. So we got 1 down. That's 1. Let's make the second one. All right. We got our chicken. We're going to put our chicken there. Boop. Chicken. Salad. See, at the end of the day, you're making tacos, but they don't know you're doing something good for them. Shh. It's going to be our secret. So I'm going to put 2 right here. And then I'm going to put a lemon wedge because I'm going to need help holding those bad boys up. And then I'm going to do some more on this side. Same thing. I'm going to take the chicken. And of course, I'm feeding an army here, so I have some more working in the back. Then we're going to get some more lettuce. Some more cheese. Ha ha! Oh, yeah. These are perfect snacks for after school, after the game. Get you back going. Get you some energy in your body. And you make this last one. That's it. And again, the kids don't even know you did something good for them. All right. You're going to put that there. And boom. There you have it. Now, if you really want to be healthy, kind of get them to get some more lettuce and put some more on there. You can just put some of that in the background. Oh, yeah. And you serve it up, and voila. Well, there you have it. Another delicious dish brought to you, sponsored by T-Mobile, brought to you here by Chef D and Body and Mind, Mind and Body, all those good things. And bon appetit. Remember, Chef D loves you. You guys have a great day.